I'll be having, hold on, no, that's, yeah, I'm having KFC for dinner. So I guess I'm going to just taste to see how different it is or similar it is to Jamaican KFC and let you guys know. Before we go further, just know that I have my sweet chili sauce because, you know, whoa, what Grace make it? Bottled in the UK for Grace Foods UK. Grace, you're going to taste, man. Grace, there is sweet chili sauce. Anyways, so I had some hot wings. I ordered some hot wings. I ordered a zinger. And you know, naturally you're going to get your fries. And yeah, so they gave me a little juice with it. The sweet chili sauce is to come in handy in the event that something not tastes right. So compared to Jamaican KFC, where you know you get your zinger wrapped, in the UK it comes in a box. There are different titles on the box. I'm really not sure what that's about. I guess if you're from the UK, you can let me know what the difference is with original recipe and the special. Just in case, you know, for next time, if I go and order, I must order a special. You can let me know in the comment section. But yeah, it's in a box. And for the UK, the zinger is just bread, chicken, lettuce, and mayo. Yeah. So it's nothing extravagant, trust me. But the chicken, however, looks very crispy. As you can see, it looks well seasoned and crispy. I don't know if it's spicy. I really don't know. But so yeah, it's not really eventful. And I think it's a bit smaller than the zinger that we're accustomed to in Jamaica. I think our zinger in Jamaica broad and the bread is a bit softer. Also, you don't know what zinger have a look at cheese and tomato and something well fluffed and nice. No, but why the fries are soggy? It's not as if it's cold enough, it's still warm. Why is it so soggy? Anyways, I was never a fan of KFC fries in Jamaica. I don't know who in the comment section is, but you can let me know because I'm not a KFC fries fan. The wings though, oh my God. The wings look seasoned. The wings look crispy. You know, it looked like something that's going to taste good. But yeah, this is the meal. And I bought the wings for £2. So 2 wings for £2. And the burger and everything came up to $8.99. Yup. So I don't know the price of a zinger in Jamaica now, but we can compare it. You know, us Jamaicans, we take pride in knowing that our KFC is the best. And like, I don't even have any doubts. I don't have any doubts that that's still going to be my mentality. Like, no, KFC no better than Jamaican KFC. But let's see how bad it is. No, that's a bit unfair. I don't expect it to be anything compared to Jamaican KFC. But I also don't expect it to be bad if you get what I mean. It just looked like it delicious. The chicken looked crispy. The zinger look well put together. I mean, you could have like more flavor and juice. Because I'm not seeing a juice. It's just like a mayonnaise. But let's see. So I'm going to taste the fries before the sauce. Nothing to fry about this, you know? This is just baked fries. Or chips, yeah, because fries fry, not sure. So this is just baked potato. This is literally just baked potato. Now look at salt. Now look at flavor. Just baked potato. So yeah, the baked potato tastes nice. Look how I'm messing up myself, Lord Jesus. All because I'm adding flavor to the baked potato. I'm not calling it no fries. I would give the fries 3 out of 10, but I'd give the baked potato 7 out of 10, if you get what I mean. Because this is good baked potato. Soft, inside thick, and you know. This is good baked potato. So I'll give that. But I can't eat it without the sauce, if you get what I mean. As much as I like the baked potato, I can't eat it without the sauce. On to the hot wings. Hot wings, them saying that, guys. Hot wings. Hot wings, them say. Hot wings. Here comes. This is good. Hey, my taste look spicy now. Wow, I was not expecting it. This is the first time I'm eating anything here, and my taste like a zing. You know, it like in a spicy, it's not hot, but your taste like a zing. Not bad. That's not bad. Here comes. Not bad, man. Not bad. Not bad at all. Moment of truth now. Yes, moment of truth. It don't look bad. You see, like it have potential. Look like it have potential. Let's go. This tastes good enough? This tastes good. The zinger tastes good. Like, you know, you could have taken like a cheese and, you know, but this is so good. As a Jamaican who know about KFC inside and out, let me tell them I order everything on the menu. I can never go to KFC and just order one thing. I have to be 2 or 3 meals. No shame in my game, but this is really not bad. The zinger is zinging. The hot wings, it's not hot enough, but it have like a zing too. It's just the fries. I mean, just the baked potato. Yeah, it's not bad at all. Really not bad. I'll definitely buy this again. UK KFC, you're going to yourself. It's not so bad. You get a 7. No, you get a 8 out of 10. Nah lie. And I'm not being too generous, but it tastes good for real. The zinger crunchy. It's not spicy zinger though. Oh, it's original zinger. That's what zinger. So it's not spicy, but it's crunchy and it has flavor. It's not bland. So it could have taken like a cheese or something, but it's not a must. You know, it's not lacking. The wings, as I said before, the wings go on. Like, I can't wait to just cut off the camera, eating food and go on with myself. But it's just the fries. In my mind, when I first got the food and I get the juice with it, I said, no man, the juice gonna be the best thing out. The juice gonna be the best thing out of everything that I ordered. But no. Not bad. With all that is said and done, though, KFC in Jamaica is still the best. But this is not bad. I mean, it's nothing compared to KFC in Jamaica. Like, on all levels, KFC in Jamaica is just top tier. Yeah, I'm just like, eat my food and go on with myself. I was saying, like, at first I was saying, like, no, should I, like, I'm hungry, you know, because I never had anything to eat all day. I'm saying, should I order the KFC, like, take the chance? Because you know when you're hungry, you just want to eat food. No, but what if that's why the food tastes so good? It tastes good for real. Yeah, I like it. Ooh, I like it. What chicken? This is a plus. Yay! So the KFC was a definite goodbye. And with that, I'm gonna eat my food. So I'm gonna tell you now, goodbye. Remember guys, like, subscribe and share. And if there's something that you know or hear about in the UK that you want me to test out and compare to Jamaica, let me know.